Greetings everyone. Welcome back to another episode of MericaIndo. Today we are working on harvesting from our Rombutan tree. One of the complicated things here is the tree is huge. Our tree is about 40 feet tall and produces a massive amount of fruit, and don't want to let it go to waste. So we create a Indonesian traditional Rombutan fruit picker. Check it out, and we'll talk about how we get that fruit from the top of the tree. Slide this right in there. Move that down. Now we got a nice little fork for picking Rombutan.
A few minutes later.
And that is how it's done. Well, along with most things, we could either leave it the way it is, which is beautiful on its own, but I like to manicure mine a little bit, kind of like, clean it up, make it a presentable piece. I don't need all the branch on here. So I come in, clean some of these dead little twigs off. Is our finished cluster. Beautiful. So now we got our Rombutan down. It's a fruit that's like a lychee, and it's really sweet actually. I have a hard time opening them sometimes. That one looks really good. Look at that. Beautiful.